How to use Airtable project and CRM properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Airtable is a versatile project management and CRM tool, but many beginners waste time and money because they don't use it correctly. The surprising truth is that even experienced teams struggle if they ignore the platform's key features. The first mistake is underestimating the power of templates. Airtable offers pre-built templates for project tracking, sales pipelines, and CRM systems. Beginners often start from scratch, which leads to confusion and inefficiency. Using a template can save hours of setup and ensure best practices from the start. For example, a sales pipeline template already includes stages like lead, prospect, and close deal, so you don't have to build it manually. Another common error is neglecting relational databases. Airtable allows you to link tables, creating powerful connections between projects, clients, and tasks. Many beginners treat it like a simple spreadsheet, missing out on automation and deeper insights. Linking your client table to projects ensures everyone knows which client is associated with which task, avoiding miscommunication. Automation is another overlooked feature. Airtable can automatically send notifications, update statuses, or generate reports based on triggers. Beginners often do these tasks manually, which wastes time and increases errors. Setting up automation for recurring tasks can dramatically improve efficiency. Views are also crucial, but often ignored. Airtable lets you create grid, calendar, Kanban, and gallery views. Beginners usually stick to a single view, missing opportunities to visualize work differently. For example, using a Kanban view for ongoing tasks makes it easy to track progress at a glance. Finally, analytics and reporting are often underused. Airtable's blocks and dashboards provide insights into project progress and CRM performance. Without them, teams lack visibility and can't make data-driven decisions. To use Airtable effectively, leverage templates, link your tables, implement automation, utilize multiple views, and monitor analytics. Avoiding these beginner mistakes will save time, improve organization, and make your projects and CRM management far more effective.